Meaning of dysphasia.
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 Dysphasia. Dysphasia is a medical term that refers to a condition in which a person experiences difficulty or problems with language. It can manifest in a variety of ways, such as trouble with understanding words, difficulty in expressing thoughts, or inability to use language in a cohesive manner. This condition is typically associated with neurological damage or disorders, such as stroke, traumatic brain injury, or dementia. Treatment for dysphasia may vary depending on the underlying cause, and may involve speech therapy, medication, or other forms of rehabilitation. Early detection and treatment are important for improving outcomes.